Magandang buhay mga kaani. Ito na naman po si Kuya Harvest para magbigay ng konting tips and ideas po sa atin po mga kasamang magsasaka. Ang ibabahagi ko po sa inyo ngayon yung mga inbred at hybrid varieties na para po sa sahod ulan o yung rainfed. Ito po ay yung mga 200 hanggang 500 series variety. Ang source po natin ito ay Pinoy Rice Knowledge Bank ng International Rice Research Institute. Okay po, so simulan po natin sa NSIC RC192 o yung Sahod Ulan 1. Ang average yield po ay 3.7 tons, maximum yield 5.50 tons per hectare, maturity 106 days, after seeding height 109 cm. Next, NSEC RC272 o Sahod Ulan number 2. Average yield 3 tons per hectare, maximum yield 6.4 tons, maturity 110 days. Next ay RC274, average yield 3 tons per hectare, maximum yield 6.7 tons, maturity 116 days. Next, NSEC RC276, average yield 2.6 tons per hectare, maximum yield 5.5 tons, maturity 119 days. RC278, average yield 2.4 tons per hectare, maximum yield 5.3, maturity 110 days. NSEC RC280, average yield 2.5 tons per hectare, maximum yield 5.6 tons per hectare, maturity 123 days. Next, NSEC RC282, average yield 2.9 tons per hectare, maximum yield 6.4 tons, maturity 120 days. NSEC RC284, average yield 3.7 tons per hectare, maximum yield 5.7 tons, maturity 114 days. NSEC RC286, average yield 3.5 tons, maximum yield 5 tons per hectare, maturity 115 days. Next po natin, NSEC RC416, average yield 3.4 tons, maximum yield 5.0 tons per hectare, maturity 116 days, plant height 87 cm. Next, RC418, average yield 3.8 tons, maximum yield 5.7 tons, maturity 113 days, plant height 101 cm. NSEC RC 420, average yield 3.7, maximum 6 tons, maturity 108 days, plant height 104 cm. And RC 422, average yield 3.4, maximum 5.3, maturity 112 days, plant height 89 cm. Next po natin, NSEC RC424, average yield 3.6, maximum yield 5.4, maturity 110 days, plant height 94 cm. Next, 426, average yield 3.7, maximum 5.8, maturity 110 days, plant height 94 cm. Next, RC428, average yield 3.5, maximum 4.9, maturity 107 days, plant height 97 cm. Next, RC 430, average yield 3.5, maximum 5.4, maturity 111 days, height 92 cm. So next po natin, NSEC RC 480, average yield 3.2, maximum 4.4, maturity 107 days, plant height 96 cm. Next, RC 476H, average yield 3.6, maximum 4.7 tons per hectare, maturity 113 days, height 93 cm. RC 478H, so average yield 3.8 tons, maximum yield 5.8 tons per hectare, maturity 113 days, plant height 97 cm. Next po natin, NSEC RC434H. So hybrid po ito. Average yield 3.4 tons per hectare, maximum yield 4.6, maturity 105 days, plant height 94 cm. Next, RC 472H, average yield 3.3 tons, maximum yield 4.3, maturity 117 days, height 86. Next, RC 474H, average yield 3.2 tons per hectare, maximum yield 4.5, maturity 116 days, plant height 89 cm. So pag may H po sa huli, hybrid po ito na palay. Next po natin, RC 592, average yield 3.1, maximum 5.7 tons, maturity 107 days, plant height 96 cm. Next, RC 594, average yield 3 tons, maximum yield 5.3 tons per hectare, maturity 109 days, plant height 93 cm. RC 596, average yield 3 tons, maximum 4.8 tons per hectare, maturity 113 days, plant height 93 cm. Next po natin, NSIC RC 346, average yield 3.3, maximum 6.2, maturity 105 days, plant height 97 cm, at pinakahuli po sa lahat ng variety na pangsahod ulan, RC 598, average yield 3.1 tons per hectare, maximum yield 6.1 tons per hectare. So kung mapapansin po natin, nasa 3 to 6 tons ang yield nila. Medyo mababa compare po dun sa mga irrigated area. Ang kagandahan po nito, nakakasigurado na kayo na yung palay nyo ay matibay sa kakulangan sa tubig dahil pangsahod ulan nga po. Unlike dun sa mga varieties natin na itinatanim na irrigated tapos itatanim natin sa sahod ulan. So yun lamang po ang mga varieties na pang sahod ulan. Like, share, and subscribe.